Hello world, welcome back. We are at my favorite place. Okay.
NYC Timberland 구두 입고 왔지 LAX touchdown I ain't sleeping a beat sleep on a beach 하나 모네가 도착했지 난 아직 알지 I got a lot of things on my.
And that was it. I'm going home now. Very quick errands. I literally just had to do one thing. Who would have thought that in the past 20 years there would be people online on the internet making videos as their main source of income? That's pretty cool. This world is changing, and it's changing so fast. We now have wireless earbuds that we can put in our ears. And a lot of these sorts of technologies have been taken for granted. We have cars that are very efficient now, very reliable. We have planes. We can go around the world. Yeah, you need money, but it's not impossible. I know it's pretty much almost summer anyways, but it's so hot right now. If you see me in my vlogs and I'm just like sweating in my room, I could turn on the air conditioning, but I actually do like sweating. Call me gross, go ahead, but I feel as though it's just like a way for my body to regulate itself. If I can't handle a little bit of heat, a little bit of sweat, then what am I as a person, you know? If I can't handle a little bit of uncomfortability, is that even a word? If I can't handle being uncomfortable, just slightly, the slightest amount uncomfortable, then what happens if I were to have to endure something else that's a lot more uncomfortable, dare I say even painful, right? And I know I'm just rambling, I'm just yapping at this point, but it's like shower thoughts, but in the car. That's where I get shower thoughts. Whenever I shower pretty efficiently to the point where I don't really have time to think. I have this system down where I can shower and clean up myself very quickly. I can dry up really quickly. But when I'm driving, I can kind of just sit back and not necessarily relax, but just think. And I feel like it's the same thing, right? When you're in the shower, you have those thoughts. When you're in the car, you kind of have those thoughts as well. And I don't know. Like I really enjoy doing this. I actually enjoy it a lot more than listening to music in the car. So I'd rather just have the radio off and have my camera on. Is that a little weird? Maybe unusual. It could be like just not common, that's for sure. I can't tell if I'm overexposed or not, but I'm literally just using my iPhone. I do want a setup to where I can have my point and shoot or even my mirrorless camera in the car so that I can get cinematic footage. That would be really cool. But maybe further down the line. For now, I'm just gonna focus on vlogging, on storytelling, because even though I do have access to all this gear, it's not always what matters. You still see me using my phone, my point and shoot, just because they're more convenient. And it's a lot less friction in comparison to using my camera, to where if I use it, I don't really want to do it in automatic mode. And if I do want to use it in manual, I would have to, you know, set up the shot every single time in terms of exposure. In all honesty, it looks like a really good time to go out and jog or run. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. That's how I'm gonna end off, not necessarily the day, but maybe the work day. And then I can just relax after that. It's very interesting because I filmed another vlog literally on the same errand trip. But this one is gonna be for a different video, because I already ended off that video. You can watch that if you want. It's the video before this one that came out. Maybe sometimes you don't have to end it off where it needs to end off.
하나 모네가 도착했지 난 아직 알지 I got a lot of things on my mind 말만 하지 You are the suckers playing games I've been through it all 지옥 같은 인생 put into a song Stupid long Get in the car 지금 보내요 driving Sonny we be riding Top down cruising down
So when I got back home from doing my errands, I saw this dude jogging, so I thought, why not go out for a jog as well? So I did Did a quick little run. Not too good. It was like 12-minute, 30-second for a mile. But after that, I decided to cook up a meal. I got this. I had a protein shake, but I also have this beautiful looking bowl of steak. I also have some salt to taste, but I'm so excited. Yes, I'm only having this. I'm kind of full. So I need some protein in my system, so this is what I'm having. Super grateful for this meal. Let's go ahead and chow down while we watch some anime.
California calling, LA got the party. Chilling on in Cape Town, terracotta get down. Hold on, yeah. Venice Beach, Malibu, that's the truth. Hold my soul, hold on, yeah.
This is the most awesome place in the world. Come here, birdies. Where are you going? Guys, I'm friendly.
Hold up, yeah. I talk at Beverly, off the Century. Know what I mean? Know what I mean? 나 지금 왔지, you know. 파란새로 왔지, 난 멀리 갔지. Okay, I'm out here chilling on the balcony. 여기가 좋지. 좋아할 줄 몰라서 난 지금 so me. And so many times 뉴욕 절대 떠날 생각도 마라. Flying high.
Always love me some sunsets.
You guys ready to try?
I am not ready.
To what?
Cali 똑같아 꿈을 꿔. I've been dreaming about this ever since day one. I was young. 어렸을 때부터 제일 원했던 talk about.
You're recording. Hey guys, follow me guys. Guys, follow me.
Okay, fine. Wait. It's going on YouTube.
You see it over there? Right over there. That's my house. Hey.
Go tell them, how's it?
Oh, this stuff's their owner. This is Maui style potato chips. Good kind of stuff. Organic.
Is it?
No, I don't know. Grew me in my backyard, boo.
Back in LA soon, guess that's the move. Yeah. Malibu and Albertu, sandy beaches 소중한 내 소정 유는진이 계속 value you and Jenny cool. I'll be back in LA soon, guess that's the move. Yeah.